Almost every Astro van will have this problem. It's the fan speed. This burns up. That's the brand new one. That's a problem why the Astro van, the blower won't blow in all the gears. And there's also a resistor here. Right here, these burn out too. This wire plugs right in there. And it controls the different speeds of the fan. Another Chevy Astro van problem. Easy to fix. You just replace that connector. I had all this brand new connector put on where the old connector was. I had it wired in and shrunk wrap too. And then I put this in too. This is a resistor, it's called. I think it's called the blower motor resistor. These vans are problematic. You have to keep up with them. This van was leaking oil, quart every 3 miles. It ended up being the oil filter housing, rubber gasket, paper gasket, and the oil cooler line. There's another gasket. Now it doesn't leak anything at all. Filming on the phone. It's a Pixel Pro 8 Google phone. Supposed to be filming 4K, 60 frames per second.